everyone, welcome back to our second session. And for our second session, we are going to talk about Speaking Tutor 1B, Unit 1, Interesting Hobbies, to page 14. So before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a quick review from our previous book, Speaking Tutor 1A. Unit 1, School Buddies. Unit 2, Memorable Stories. Unit 3, Things People Do. Unit 4, Successful People. Unit 5, Popular Sports. And Unit 6, Saving the World. Now for our new lesson from Lesson 1, Visiting Grandma. We are going to talk about warm up and the vocabulary preview. And for your exercise, you're going to define the following vocabularies based on your understanding. So we have desert, nature, pottery, campfire, inspired, and quilt. So everyone, let's start. So here's our review from our previous book, Speaking Tutor 1A. This textbook, everyone, as you remember, we talk about a lot of things. Like in unit 1, we talk about school buddies. What is the meaning of school buddies? School buddies, or we could also say school friends or school partners. Yeah, like this. Or classmates, correct. Now for unit 2, memorable stories, we talk about this. A lot of things, like your memorable things happen in your life while you are studying, or also your vacation. In unit 3, things people do. So this one we talk about different kinds of jobs, correct? How about in unit 4, successful people? So if in unit 3 we talk about different jobs or work or occupation, in this unit we talk about the people who succeed to their careers. Like and if you are an athlete or also a businessman or woman, like a singer too, Justin Bieber, do you remember? Great. Now for unit 5, popular sports. So here's here are the popular sports. We have basketball, baseball, tennis, hockey, soccer, and pool. And for our last unit, everyone, Unit 6, Saving the World. This one is just previous days that we talk about this. How to save the world. So how can you help as a student to save the world? So what are those? You have to prevent such things, right? So here's our review from previous textbook, Speaking Tutor 1A. I hope that you remember all of this. Not exact the same of our studies, but this content from our textbook. Now let's move on to our new lesson. For our new lesson, we are going to talk about lesson 1, visiting grandma, on page 14. Let's talk about warm up. Now you are studying online, so you can talk with the buddy, right? Or classmate, like what I've said earlier, school buddies, right? All you have to do is make a question or questions and answer about the pictures as it shown in here. Tomorrow's schedule. So this is the title of the warm up. Here's some example. Are they going to go rollerblading? So that's the question, right? Here's the answer. They are or aren't going to go rollerblading. So go rollerblading already have its question and answer. So do take photographs, study English, do a puzzle, and knit a scarf. So let me explain to you one by one. From this one, as you can see, everyone, this boy is take photographs. This second picture is knit a scarf. You know, knit a scarf, right? So it's look like sewing by your hand, knitting. It's the same like that. Next, the third picture, this one we talked about already. Go roller blading. Next, our fourth picture, this one is do a puzzle. And the last picture, this is study English. So everyone, make a question and answer. So if you can make 2 questions and 2 answers, that's better. Don't forget to send your answers to your teacher's personal telegram, okay? And one more thing, don't forget to answer also your vocabulary preview. Put the correct words in the blank. So you have desert, nature, pottery, campfire, inspired, and quilt. So for number 1, you have already your answer. That store sells pottery. You know, things like clay bowls and vases. So the rest you can fill in this answer. Next is your exercise. For your exercise, everyone, or classwork, you are going to define the following vocabularies based on your understanding. So you don't have to take a look in the Google. Once come up into your mind what you understand for this vocabulary word, write down your answers into your notebook. First is desert. Second is nature. Third is pottery. Fourth is campfire. Fifth is inspired. Sixth is quilt. So we have 6 vocabularies in your exercise or classwork. So don't forget to send your answers to your teacher's personal telegram, okay guys? So that's it everyone. This is the end of our second session and lesson for today. So I hope that you get knowledge, information, and you learn things from our lessons. So I'll see you again everyone next time. Goodbye and keep safe.